What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Little Roy TV, and we back with another review video. Some would say this is an early pickup, early review, but sneakers, Nike, they already dropped them. Exclusive access, early access. So I wasn't able to touch a pair, but my friend hit a GS size, so we about to go over them right now. So if you're new here, subscribe to the channel. Also subscribe to my music channel, and also go show me some love on Instagram. Go follow me over there, and yeah, let's get right into the video. Also comment any questions down below. I read and respond to everything. So my other friend, he hit a men's pair, but I wasn't gonna bother asking for the men's pair. So we're gonna show the GS pair. I don't think there's a real difference. And yeah, these officially drop next week, but we got an early review right now, and we can see how it looks, if you want to cop or not. I know I'm copping these for personal myself next week, so yeah, let's get right into the video. Let's get it. Alright, so off rip, I'm getting like my nose, I'm getting like allergies. I was just in the car sneezing too much dust around. But anyways, first and foremost, you guys see the box. They don't get no fire box like the actual men's pairs with the Reimagined like breakdown chop box that comes with the regular cement box that comes with fours. Nothing too crazy. Like I said, it's my friend's pair, so it's a size 6. If you watch this video right now and you want it, it's for sale, so you could cop. Hit me up. I could send you to my friend's way. Or hit me up. I mean, obviously hit me up, not hit him up, but either I could sell it for him if you hit me up fast enough, or he could end up networking and whatever. But anyway, size 6 GS. Regular box of how the box looks with cement. Regular paper. Let's get all that fresh smell of a Jordan. You know what's funny? I wonder how much stickers they really make of these, because these shits is with every single sneaker of GS sneakers. But here you go. White cement. Reimagined 3s with the Nike on the back. I don't understand how resale for them GS pairs is so trash. Like, I don't understand. I really don't. I get the market is down because no one has money, like COVID and all that stuff, but come on. First of all, Jordan 3 is about to take over this year. I'm speaking what I'm saying. The Reimagined literally is just, this is literally a white cement. Literally. This cream, Reimagined, this cream on the bottom. You can't really tell on the camera, but this is cream, it's not white. And then obviously the cream on the heel with the Nike. And that's literally it. If you take away the cream, because maybe some people don't like the cream, like breakdown, Reimagined pair, and they like the white, but this is legit a white cement 3. Like, it's just like a black cement, it's just like a true blue, it's just like a fire red. I don't understand how this is not relatively going for way more than it should. I mean, we all know in the resale community, all the Mickeys are undercutting and bricking, but I'm gonna see how many pairs I'm trying to get. But yeah, just figure it out. How much pairs you're gonna try to grab for personal or for resale if you want to hold, because there's gonna be a lot of pairs of these. Allegedly there's 500,000 pairs between men's, GS, preschool, toddler. But definitely this shoe is a must cop. I already dropped a video on that, so go check my previous video. I definitely said if it was a must cop or not, which I'm basically saying it again. It is a must cop for personal and for resale. But yeah, definitely let me know what you guys think about these bad boys. If you're watching this right now, let me know in the comments below. Are you copping on release day, or are you going to pass on these? There's no difference on them, obviously. It does not come with extra shoelaces. But I got the both Nike logo. Nothing too crazy. Just a regular white cement. And the thing is, I never had these when they dropped before, because when they dropped 2011 or whatever year they dropped them last, I just never knew it came out, and I just didn't cop them at that time. And my friend, he actually had a personal pair. I'm not going to post that pic because that's an OD throwback of me and him. But for my birthday one year, he wore the white cements. I had the True Blues, which I still have my True Blues. And he actually, the one that hit the men's pair, he hit on sneakers on men's pair, but not his size. He thought it was his size, but it wasn't. So, but either way, what you guys think about these? Is this one of the top shoes of the year? Real sneakerheads might say this is at least a top 5 shoe of the year because we still got the whole year to drop. There's probably going to be other stuff that comes out, you know. I wouldn't say this is the shoe of the year for me personally, because even though I'm a big advocate on 4s and 3s, the reason why I never had them in my collection first and foremost, because I wasn't a big fan of white cement. I don't really like white cements, but now that I'm older, I don't mind having this in my collection. Black cements is probably top 2 best sneaker in the whole entire Jordan. Like everything, black cement 3s, that bread 4s, to me, obviously aquas, flu games, cherries, certain sneakers that, you know, are legendary. The must cop, lightnings, certain sneakers that when they announce the drop, I'm copping. When I seen this, I said, I don't care if it's Reimagined, it could be free throw one, it could be, I don't fucking care. Whichever one they was dropping of white cement 3s, I was gonna cop, regardless. So let me know if you guys gonna cop next week. Are you been waiting for this? Do you think it's possibly top 5 shoe of the year? Or are you jumping the gun like most hype beast YouTubers and saying, oh my god, the shoe of the year? It's not shoe of the year, but it could be top 5. Reason why I'm saying 5, it could potentially end up at top 3 is only because the rest of the year, we got so much heat coming out. It's like, I'm just trying to be fair. I'd rather be, you know, in the middle ground, neutral, to say this is a top 5 sneaker of the year. But other than that, I'm copping next week. You know, let me know if you pass in, because maybe you don't like them. Maybe you got the old versions and you're passing on these. And also, what do you guys think about the announcement of the Reimagined Bread 4s? I just said that's a top 2 sneaker of my whole entire, not my collection, the whole, like, Bread 4s is probably the best Jordan. Like I said, top 2 in my collection. What do you think about the announcement for the Reimagined Bread 4s? Let me know if you also seen that rumor. It's supposed to come next year. Yeah, I know I'm really showing too much, but like, what else is there to really show? So, white cement. They have Nike Air inside if you do want to see that, if you care about it. It says right there, Nike Air. At the end of this, I'll do a little thumbnail. But yeah, I just really want to do a review on this. Like I said, I was happy when my friend let me see them. Even though it's GS size, I don't think there's really no difference on men's. So yeah, let me know. Must cop or not. Are you excited? Because I am. Or are you passing? Alright, so other than that, I'm going to keep the shoe. Let's do a little thumbnail at the end. You guys don't have to see it. Subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to my music channel. I dropped a new music video. So go support that. I don't know what y'all doing. And follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Peace out.